How to turn off reduce motion on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Motion. As you can see, the Reduce Motion is currently turned on. Reduce Motion reduces the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. Now, turn off the Reduce Motion feature. You can also manage other settings from this page. For example, autoplay animated images, autoplay video previews, autoplay message effects, show vehicle motion cues and more. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Reduce Motion on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.